Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to be showing you a multi-function desk that I would have created prior to my YouTube channel. So unfortunately I don't have a step-by-step build guide for you. However, it's pretty simple to make and I'm going to walk you through it. This table was actually inspired by Adam Savage's ethos of first order retrievability, which you can see in a lot of his rolling shop carts. It consists of an IKEA I can't even pronounce that, and if I do, I'm probably gonna get demonetized before I'm able to even monetize. According to Google, it's pronounced
Vitre.
I then modified, let's call it the V-desk, to include 4 non-marking casters so that it can be rolled around quite easily. And I added a monitor arm so that I can have a secondary screen for either consuming entertainment or just enhance productivity in general. On the surface of the desk, I've also velcroed on a wireless charger for my phone and the wireless charger for the Apple Watch. At the bottom is my Xbox One S for gaming and media consumption. And as you can see at the back of the desk, I wrapped the cables around the posts in an effort of cable management because there isn't much space or compartments to really hide the cables. And I added a 3-plug multi-outlet power adapter so that I can power all of the devices at once. And lastly, I would have used some wooden shims for the monitor arm clamp, and that's for 2 reasons. The top shims are to allow the monitor to actually clear the MacBook when it's opened, and the bottom shims are to allow for a bit more purchase area on the small lip at the bottom. And yeah, it does look a bit janky. However, all in all, I'm pretty happy with how the project turned out, especially for being more budget oriented. I use this every single day. It works excellent and I definitely can vouch for it. Of course, feel free to make your own adjustments, adaptations, evolve it. And if you do, please take some pictures and tag me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media you use. Links are in the description. See you in the next one.